I've got to get out of here. I had to leave. Was that the right decision? Do I have to keep it spinning all the time? No, I have to slow down. But I'm in doubt. It's a hectic world we live in. I'm truly seeking for myself. And I found it. It's happening. Right here. The water has washed me down the river. It's sharpened my senses. I dare